How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. Look who's finally back in the videos,
fellas.
And not only Nate, he's not just back, but Big Chungus is back.
That's right.
After how long?
Oh. Hold that.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Figures, right? When we start the video, he's gotta get a phone call.
2 hours later.
Oh, you done talking to whoever now?
Yep.
Who was it?
That's old Drew.
So Nate, how long has the old rig been in the shop?
Full year.
Really?
Last February. Well, it broke down last February. And it's end of February now.
I remember it was a lawn ornament right in this spot for all of the summer into the fall, and then the tow truck finally came, right? You want to tell the story about how that got picked up with the tow truck? Well, first his friend was gonna come by and pick it up with a truck and trailer, and his truck broke down.
The old brake cam blew on the dump truck.
Yeah.
We called the old tow truck. He came down, put it on the back, and we made it to the next town down, and the tow truck broke down with my truck on his back.
Just shows you the luck. So, but after pretty much a whole year, Big Chungus is finally back. The spikes on the front wheels here had to be taken off in order to get it on the tow truck, but she's running better than ever, right? Could you tell a difference in performance? Like, is it a lot smoother than when you first got it?
Gets in the gears a lot easier, real smooth.
Now, are you gonna baby it and not hammer through them because you're gonna be
scared? Oh no, we're running that puppy.
Well, hopefully everything holds up. We're gonna put that quality of work to the test. But happy to have it back here on the channel. Good. Are you happy to have it back? I mean,
Of course.
it's like missing your kid, right? But you don't have any kids.
Yeah.
Did they do anything with the shifter inside? Why'd you lock it?
I didn't. Come on, you got to yank on that door.
Oh, jeez. We help inside here. You got the old Hearst pistol grip shifter. Good to see this truck again. It's been a while since I've even seen it.
Oh yeah.
But hopefully we'll be doing some more mods to it here soon. It does need a wash. You've been running it a lot. How many times have you driven it?
3 times in a week.
Yeah. There was a bunch of salt on the roads here from a big snowstorm that we had, but we just had a big rainstorm come through and that washed all the salt off. So he was happy to bring it out and do a video here. And he has been away because...
End up buying a house.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I visited like twice. Pretty nice on a bunch of property. You enjoying it so far?
Oh yeah. Detached garage.
Yeah.
Nice and big. Keep the old 3rd gen in there.
Yeah. Maybe I'll have to stop out there and we can film some videos there in the old workshop, right?
That's right.
He's getting that all put together. I wish I could go out there more and do like a little garage edit and, you know, throw in some shelves and trying to make it your own, right?
That's right.
Now, as far as the truck here goes, we probably are going to wait until some warmer weather here because it's freezing today. Really cool day here in the Berg in February. But now that you finally got it back in your possession, you got any future mods coming up for it?
Yeah, we got something pretty big for it. I'm gonna try to do it myself. Most people don't, but
It'll be interesting. I'll help. Maybe one of my buddies will help. Do you want to give a hint? We did, if you guys go way back and rewatch all the dually videos, that'll keep you busy for the evening. But we did mention it. It was a plan you had suggested before.
Yeah, I had to throw that one out the window because the old trans blew.
Yeah, that got put on the back burner. Now, are you sticking with the same choice selection that you suggested before? Do you want to give them a hint? I don't know how you're really going to hint it, but...
You can't really hint it.
So the only hint that we're going to leave you guys with, Big Blue here will no longer be Big Blue.
That's right.
That's your little suggestion. But again, it was very exciting to have this truck back on the channel. Besides the wrecked 2nd gen over there, this truck is what really boosted us up in the views and the sub count. If you guys were here from the beginning, thanks for always supporting us, and we're excited to keep growing the channel. You got anything else to say?
Thanks for watching.
Well, we ain't done yet.
I know, but I'm saying thank you.
Yeah, you heard them. So I think apart from Big Chungus here, we're going to take a lap around all the other vehicles, minus the 3rd gen and the R6, because they're not here. They're at his new place. How have they been?
I haven't ridden the old crotch rocket since, I don't know, probably August.
But you started up and run it at least.
Yeah, let her warm up a little bit, but old 3rd gen. I don't really get much use in the winter, but
you've been driving the old Merc.
That's right.
Maybe that thing will make a feature here soon. We'll throw a big wing on the back of it or
Big
something.
wing and straight pipe.
All right, let's go check out the other rides. Well, first up is the old OG second gen, the one that started the whole thing on our channel. Still sitting in the same place since it was the last time it was featured on the videos, but you currently have it for sale. Did you get any hits on it?
Few people wanted parts. I got a real hardcore low ball on it, but I could sell the engine more than that. But I don't know, old local guy to the new house that I bought, he has about 10 bodies for sale, so.
Potential rebuild series in the works. We've been kicking around that idea for what? Since you wrecked it, honestly.
2 years probably.
Yeah. But I know that'll be a really big hit on the channel if we decide to do that. I'm hoping we do, and you don't get a big serious offer on this truck because I'm holding out that we'll rebuild
I think
this
I took
someday.
it down. I don't really know. I can't remember. But
Yeah, you better take it down. Don't even repost it. Truck's not for sale. All right, on to the next car. All right, on to the old 79 Camaro here. Haven't done much work to it since the summertime. Got a tarp over it because I took all the weather stripping off of the doors and there's about like a 2-inch gap. I didn't want any rain or snow going in there. Flat tire because it hasn't been driven lately. Just waiting for the weather to warm back up so I can start getting back on the body work. Got a little rust hole there. Got a whole playlist on this car if you guys are interested in checking it out. I'll tag it up above. Any comments on the Camaro?
Still looks the same as it did a year ago.
Yeah. Very excited to see the progress we make on it this upcoming summer when the weather gets nicer. The old Plymouth, still sitting in the driveway. Haven't done much work to it. The only issues it has, the rear tires are starting to go. And the biggest problem I found is it is going to be a really big pain to find new rear tires for this that'll fit those rims for some reason. So fingers crossed I'll be able to find something that'll work. Any comments on this?
Hey, if you can't find a tire, that means new rims.
See, I only wanted to spend money on tires. I didn't want to spend money on a whole new wheel and tire setup.
New wheels.
Jeez. All right. And finally, we got the old Dakota here. Haven't done much to that either. Just been kicking it around as my daily. I kept putting it off. It's starting to show its age. It's getting the rust issues are becoming worse. Gonna have to get that taken care of this upcoming summer. I think I'm actually gonna be budgeting for that and getting that done. And probably respraying the whole truck. Gonna keep the old blue color because I think it looks really good and I dig it. Any comments on the Dakota?
Drop a 12 valve in it.
You're not the first person to say that. You know, channel grows big enough, who knows what'll happen. Maybe someday here. You want to point something out here? Did you just notice? But
The one thing I didn't miss
Yeah.
is the old coal puddles. Not from the old pipe either, the old engine.
You ever gonna get that fixed?
Maybe if I pull it, but I don't know if I'll be pulling the engine anytime soon.
I mean,
hopefully not, but I don't know, anything's possible.
I think out of all the money you spent new oil for this thing, you could have just had that fixed by now. Oh boy. But it is good, like I said a million times, to finally have this truck back. We'll be doing some more videos on it up here coming, so stay tuned for that. Anything else?
I don't know. What, you gonna leave them hanging without a cold start, or not a cold start, but a startup?
I won't. Go ahead, fire it up.
Fire it up.
Sure is good to hear that again.
Oh yeah.
Woo dog!
Woo dog.
Sending smoke signals.
Hey. Hello.
Another phone call!
I will.
What were you saying earlier about how hard it was to get this started at the shop?
Oh yeah, it's been nice. I'm trying to think when the truck was done. I think it was done in October, but it was a very big chunk of pennies.
It's a little pricey there.
Yeah, especially with a house. So
Well, they did find more problems than they first initially thought, right?
yeah, it took. I'll bring the list and I'll read it on the next video because I didn't bring the list. But Yeah, it's a full piece of paper. It's full top to bottom. So I mean, there's
Is it like a CVS receipt?
just about.
Well, how hard was this thing to get started?
It took an hour and a half on the cables, and then finally cranked over, and it took about 15 minutes for the engine to clear up.
You said smoke the whole valley.
Oh yeah, it was pretty bad.
Oh, can't forget the old GMC. Yeah. Hey, when we doing a build on this?
Soon. Kill some tires.
I think we're going to start with a new rear bumper. New rear bumper?
Move rear bumper on the old GMC.
Move. Sponsor us. Well, boys, I think that's going to do it for today's video. Nate's headed home at Big Chungus for the first time leaving here, at least with it. So, safe travels home. Catch you in the next one. I guess that's it.
Doggy fellas.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Leave a comment down below what you guys think and what you would like to see next. Give us some suggestions for some video ideas and maybe we'll just do it, right?
That's right.
All right. Rip it out of here.
Yeah.